Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily do the shake and flash edits in CapCut. So first, just get your clips ready and then click on the transition box. Click on the camera category, then select the shake to transitions. Set it for 0.5 seconds. And now click on the second clip, animations. Select the combo category, then add these popping candy animations to the second clip. And now you need to go to the video effects. Click on the nightclub category and then add the vibration flash effect. Okay, this one. Click on the check icon and put it on the second clips. You can put it set it for whole clip or just trim it like this, and this is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.